This is the FP Inline oil filter. I got the red one for general bearing. I've been boiling it for about 15 minutes. And I've had issues trying to pull it out, man. I've used these picks. Try to push it out from the other end, and I had no luck. That thing is stubborn. So I got a bright idea from my daughter to boil it, and that way I can collect all the contaminants. I put a little soap in it. That was, it's kind of like the alcohol thing, but hopefully it'll expand and contract, and I'll be able to get the filter out somehow. It's been about 15 minutes. And pull this thing out. Put on this towel. See what kind of look I have. Use this one. It's the best. Seems to be the best one that I can get in there with. Now you know it's gonna be hot. You never tried this, but let's see how it works. Yeah, this thing's stubborn, y'all. Jesus. These are not replaceable friendly. And I see how you can easily restrict oil to your filter, to your turbo, and damage it bad. These things are hard to get out, y'all. I'm trying to get it out best I can. Boil it. The only way seems like I'm gonna be able to get it out is to literally damage the filter element and just keep prying at it. That's the only way it'll come out. Jesus. All right, so back at it. It's still hot. I use this pick and I'm chipping away at it, right? Chipping away. And so with this one, I was able to actually break the seal, start spinning it around like so, and I could see the filter inside spinning. And so then I started prying it up, and it seems like it's starting to get out. Hopefully I can get it in this video. Let's see if it'll come out. Come on, baby. Hey, okay. Look. Okay, so the trick was to boil it. The pot's still over there, back there boiling. Let me turn it off. It's full of contaminants in there, but let me see if I can get this on the camera. It was not easy to get this out. So my recommendation is, if you're lucky, yours will come out. Mine didn't. Okay, mine's the red one. They're all different based on the type of turbo you have, okay? But the filter is all the same. And look at my shit it's tore up. Look at. I'm just trying to get it out. It was not easy to get it out. But I got it out. And it's like inside, it's like full of stuff. I haven't cleaned it out yet. But the trick is use these two picks. All right, this one to kind of break the seal around it, right? And start spinning it. Once you be able to spin it, you should be able to pull it out. Through heat and fucking oil and all kind of shit, it's like it cements itself into the filter. So just look towards replacing this anyways. We do this with every oil change. Anyways, broke the seal with this one, spun it around. Wouldn't come out, but I used this type right here to kind of pry it out, and it did damage it. Look at it. Like it's all damaged. I will not use this again at all, but yeah, inline replacement, how to do it. All right, so the two burnt pieces, Boom, boom. That was already in my pot. But if you look, you see all the pieces that came out of the filter, all those little black specks. Now, or possibly some of it is pieces of the plastic that came off of this, or a combination of both, but I don't think it's all from the filter. There's like some pretty big pieces in there. So it was definitely half clogged, I would say. Definitely half clogged. Excuse me. So yeah, replace these. And I don't see, another thing too, I don't see no flakes. Hold on, let me put some light on it. That would indicate any kind of damage to my bearings, the motor. Like, shout out to my tuner Ted Marquez, Ted Spec, for the tuning, building my engine. And there's no metal flakes in here, which is a really good sign. I'm pushing about 400 horsepower on the FP green, and just little carbon buildups, maybe burnt oil. Who knows? But it was the first break-in on the motor. Not the first break-in, I'm sorry. It was already broken in, but the motor sat for a couple of years. It was 2.3 manly, and it was already broken in. And then, so I picked it up and put an FP green on it, put it in my GSX, and there's no metal flakes. So, yeah, so far so good.